Masak.
Yes, menari means dance.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear for menari?
Yes.
Yes.
Quite clear.
Okay, we can continue to the third vocabulary, which is listening to music. So listening to music, this is actually the most common hobby, right? Listening to music means mendengar musik.
What?
Mendengar.
So that's very long, right?
Mendengar.
So actually the easiest way to remember this word is that you just remember about listening. Listening means mendengar. Mendengar. Yeah, mendengar is listening. So what are you listening to? You are listening
Mendengar.
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 Mendijar.
No, dijar, but with mendengar. Dengar.
Mendengar.
Yes, that's correct.
Mendengar.
Mendengar.
Music. Mendengar.
Yes, that's correct. Mendengar.
Mendengar.
Yes, mendengar.
Mendengar. Mendengar.
Yes, mendengar means
Mendengar.
yes, mendengar. Mendengar means listening. And what are you listening to? You are listening to music. So, you can just add musik after mendengar.
Musik.
Musik. Mendengar musik.
Musik.
Mendengar musik.
Yes. Can you repeat after me? Mendengar musik.
Mendengar musik.
Yes.
Mendengar. Mendengar.
Yes, mendengar musik. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Wait a minute.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Mendengar musik. I'm so sorry. I have trouble in my connection.
Mendengar musik.
Yes, mendengar musik means listening to music.
Okay.
Mendengar music.
Yes, okay.
Mendengar
Yes, that's correct. Mendengar
music, huh?
Yeah,
It's
musik.
music.
Yes,
Music.
it's music in English, but in Indonesia we just make it like musik, just like that. Musik.
Music.
Yes.
Mendengar music.
Yes, that's
Mendengar.
correct. Yes, your pronunciation is good. Okay, next. The fourth vocabulary is watching movie or watching film. In Indonesia,
Okay.
watching means menonton.
Menonton.
Yes, that's correct.
Menonton.
Menonton. Yes, and
Menonton.
yes, menonton. And you can add film after menonton. Menonton film.
Menonton.
Yes.
Menonton.
Yes, menonton film means watching film. Can you repeat after me? Menonton film.
Menonton. Menonton film.
Yes,
Menonton.
that's correct. Yes, that's great. Okay.
Menonton film.
Yes, menonton film. Okay, is that clear for menonton film?
Yes.
Menonton.
Yes, menonton. Menonton means watching, and you can add film after watching. So, menonton film. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next. Cooking. Who likes to cook? In here, is there anyone who likes to cook?
Mass.
Cook.
Yeah, cooking.
Cooking,
Yeah.
okay. Cooking in Indonesia is memasak.
Masak.
Yes.
Masak.
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 Yes, you add like a
Sak.
very what is it? You add K that is really thick, you know, a really thick K. Memasak.
Memasak.
Yes,
Memasak.
that's correct. Memasak.
Memasak.
Yes, memasak.
Memasak.
Yeah,
Memasak.
means cooking.
Cooking.
Okay. Next is drawing. Drawing means menggambar.
Menggambar.
Yes.
Menggambar.
Yes, that's correct. Menggambar. Can you
Menggambar.
can you repeat after me?
Menjambar.
Menggambar.
Menggambar.
Yes.
Menggambar.
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 Yes, that's correct. Menggambar. So in Indonesia, if we meet like NG in writing, NG, we just read it with eng. So menggambar or mendengar, like that. Menggambar means drawing.
Menggambar.
Yes. Okay. Is that clear
Menggambar.
for menggambar?
Menggambar.
Yes.
Menggambar.
Menggambar. Yes.
Menggambar.
Yes,
Menggambar.
menggambar. Okay, is that
Menggambar.
clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we can continue to the next vocabulary. Okay, there are two, the last two for this me. Okay. First, there are memancing. That is memancing, means fishing. Is there anyone who likes to fishing?
Yes.
Yes, memancing. Can you repeat after me? Memancing.
Memancing. Memancing.
Yes, memancing.
Memancing.
Yes, means fishing.
Memancing.
Cing, memancing.
Memancing.
Cing,
Cing.
cing, cing, cing.
Memancing.
Yes,
Memancing.
memancing. Memancing.
Memancing.
Yes, that's correct.
Memancing.
Yes, memancing.
Memancing.
Yeah, memancing. Naceng becing. With I. Cing.
Memancing.
Cing, yes.
Memancing.
Memancing. Okay, means fishing. Is that clear?
Here, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the last one, which is Mr. Anas' hobby. Yes, it is reading. Reading means membaca.
Membaca.
Baca. Membaca.
Membaca.
Yes, that's correct. Membaca.
Membaca.
Yes, membaca.
Membaca.
Yeah, ca with c. Membaca. Yes.
Membaca.
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 Not sha, but ca.
Ca.
Membaca.
Yeah, ca. Just like my name.
Membaca. Membaca.
Membaca. That's correct.
Okay. Okay. Membaca.
Okay. Is there any difficulties until here?
It's good. So far, so good.
So far, so good? Okay, just review a little bit. I will ask you the English words, and you can answer it with Indonesian words, okay?
Mm-hmm.
What is painting in bahasa Indonesia? Painting.
Melukis.
Melukis. Yes, melukis.
Melukis. Yes, melukis.
Not melukis, but melukis.
Melukis. Melukis.
Yes, melukis.
Melukis. Yes.
Okay. What is dancing? in bahasa Indonesia?
menari,
menari,
Yes, that's correct.
menari, yes, menari,
And what about listening to music?
mendengar musik,
mendengar, mendengar,
mendengar musik,
Yes, that's correct. Mendengar musik. That's
mendengar,
correct. Mendengar
mendengar
musik.
musik,
Yes, mendengar musik. Next one is menonton film. What is it in Indonesia?
menonton film,
menonton film,
Yes, menonton film is. That's correct. Watching film, I mean, watching film means?
menonton film,
Yes, that's correct. Menonton film. And then,
menonton,
yes, menonton. What about cooking?
memasak,
memasak,
Memasak.
memasak,
Yes,
memasak,
memasak. Yes,
memasak,
yes,
memasak,
memasak. That's correct.
memasak,
And what is it? How about fishing?
memancing,
memancing,
Memancing.
memancing,
Memancing. Yes, that's correct. Memancing.
memancing,
Yes,
memancing,
memancing. Memancing. How about drawing?
drawing,
gemar,
Menggambar.
menggambar,
Yes, that's correct. Menggambar. It means drawing.
menggambar,
Yes, and the last one, reading.
membaca,
membaca,
Yes, membaca. Membaca. That's correct.
membaca, membaca.
Okay, that is the first part of the vocabulary. Okay, can continue. There are no questions, right?
Yes.
Okay, so far so good, yeah. Okay, and fun fact, actually, you can add more info to your hobbies. For example, like mendengar musik. What kind of music that you are listening to? Or classical music, so you are listening to classical music. So you can just add mendengar musik klasik, just like that. Another example is melukis, painting. What are you like to paint? For example, you love to paint scenery. Then you can just add pemandangan, melukis pemandangan. Just like that. Pemandangan is scenery. So melukis pemandangan.
Melukis pemandangan.
Pemandangan,
Yes, pemandangan means scenery.
painting scenery.
Yes, painting scenery. And then menari, you can also add more info after menari, what kind of dance that you like. Traditional or maybe modern or maybe salsa dance, something like that. You can just add the words after menari. For example, menari tradisional means traditional dance, or menari modern means modern dance, just like that. Okay, so this is just like an addition. Okay, you can just add more info to your hobby. You can just see it in the screen. Okay, menari traditional dance. And then mendengar musik klasik, listening to classical music. And then there are, yes, menonton film. What kind of film? For example, horror movie. So you can just add horror after menonton film. Menonton film horror. Like that.
Horror.
Yes, horror. Horror or action, maybe menonton film action.
Horror,
Horror, yes, menonton film horror or menonton film action, maybe just like that. Okay, so this is just an addition, okay? You can also maybe add like memasak, what kind of food that you are cooking. For example, kudapan or desserts. I'm so sorry, this is a typo. Desserts. Cooking desserts. Memasak kudapan. For example, like that. Cooking desserts. Memasak kudapan. And then it also apply to all of your hobbies. You can just add more info into your hobbies by add the words after your hobby. Just like that. Okay, maybe next slide, Mazaya.
Thank you so much, Chacha. Now, it's time for another hobby. But before we begin, can you guys hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm going to start with a little trick. If you see like, if your hobby is about playing something, you can start with bermain. Repeat after me, bermain.
Bermain.
Yes, bermain.
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 Yes, bermain. So bermain means playing. For example, is there any of you that likes to play sports or instruments?
Football.
Okay. Football. Yes, exactly.
Ball.
So football in Indonesia, let me type it. Indonesia, football is sepak bola. Let
Sepak
me
bola.
translate. Sepak. Yes,
Apa?
sepak bola.
Sepak.
Sepak bola.
Sepak bola.
Yes, great job. So if someone asks you, apa hobimu? Gitu, you can say, oh, bermain sepak bola. Bermain. Repeat after me,
Bermain
bermain.
sepak
Bermain
bola.
sepak bola.
Yes, bermain. Again?
Bermain
Bermain.
sepak bola.
Yeah. So you can just add the, what is it? The action, the activity. So when you say, I like to play games, oh, you can say bermain game. Can you repeat after me?
Bermain game. Okay.
Yeah. How about basketball? So bermain basket.
Bermain basket.
Yes, that's
Bermain
right.
basket.
Bermain. Simple like that. Bermain.
Bermain basket.
Yes, that's
Bermain.
correct.
The mean in English basketball. Playing
Yeah,
basketball.
it's basketball. The same as basketball.
Okay.
We just say basket. Now, it can also applies to instrument, right? So if you've heard about guitar, piano, or let's say flute or whatever is it, you can just say the instrument. You can say, oh, bermain flute, bermain piano, gitu. Yeah, so the English name and the Indonesian name
What?
is almost the same. Yeah. So for example, bermain gitar. It is like playing guitar. It is the same. The guitar. Oh, wait. Can you guys hear me?
No.
Oh,
No.
can you guys hear me now? Hello?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Now.
Can
Yeah.
hear
Hello.
you.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Maaf ya semuanya. Okay. So, where were we? Okay. So if it's about instruments, let's say like guitar, piano, anything, it's all the same in Indonesia. Bermain piano. Repeat after me.
Bermain.
Bermain piano.
Yeah.
Bermain piano.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
Bermain piano.
Ya, bagus sekali. And then gitar. So bermain gitar. Like you know,
Bermain gitar.
Bermain
Bermain
gitar.
gitar.
yeah,
Bermain gitar.
yes, exactly. So about bermain, all good? Any question?
Bermain, playing. Means
Yeah.
playing.
Tidak.
Mm-hmm. Yes. What is it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you, Miss Chacha. So it's like that. The spelling, it's almost the same. Okay. All good, everyone? All clear?
Ya.
Ya, jelas.
Oke, jelas, mantap. Next is berkebun. Berkebun.
Kabun.
Berkebun.
Berkebun.
Yes, berkebun. Again?
Berkebun. What's mean?
Berkebun.
Yeah, so it means gardening. So if you like to plant flowers or herbs, yeah, it's related to garden, whatever related to garden, then it is berkebun.
Bergabun.
Berkebun, like keh in kite. Kite, then keh. Berkebun.
Berkebun.
Cat.
Yeah, berkebun. So use
There is
the
something common that all the activities start with B.
yeah. You notice it. Interesting because we use be when we are focusing on, let's say, the action. If you notice, in be, we are not always creating something. We more focusing on the action that we are doing, bermain game, create the game, but we are using the game, gitu. Something like that. But again, since it is language and language tends to be, flexible and alive, along the way, you will find some exception. And that's okay because we're always learning. Is all right, everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Now, again, before we moving on, berkebun.
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 Berkebun, exactly. And then next is berenang.
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 Berenang. It's
Berenang.
swimming. Exactly.
Berenang.
Yes, berenang. It's swimming. So
Berenang.
if you like to swim and anything,
Berenang.
yeah,
Berenang.
berenang. Berenang. Berenang.
Berenang. Berenang.
Okay. Nice. Good job, good job. And then finally, bernyanyi.
Beren.
Bernyanyi.
Yes.
Beren.
So,
Biryani.
yeah.
Bernyanyi.
Yes. So, nya.
Biryani.
Biryani.
Yes.
Biryani.
So,
Biryani.
yes, that's correct.
Biryani.
That's correct. Yes, that's correct.
Nasi
Good job, everyone. Wow, you guys are so good. Bernyanyi. Okay. Now, let's do a little bit of review before we continue.
Biryani.
What is
Ini ada
gardening?
bahasa.
Yeah?
Berkebun.
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 How about
Berenang.
exactly? How about swimming?
Berenang. Berenang.
Berenang.
Again, please.
Okay.
Berenang.
Swimming. Berenang.
Berenang. Yes.
Berenang.
Yes. And then how about playing basketball?
Bermain.
Bermain
Ball.
sepak bola.
Basket.
Yeah.
Oh, basketball.
Yeah, it's okay, Sepak bola is for football, but basketball is basket. All clear, guys?
Bermain basket.
Yes, bermain basket. And then how about singing?
Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi. Yeah.
Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi.
What's
Exactly.
mean
Bernyanyi.
Biryani.
Ini bernyanyi dekat bahasa Arab biryani.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Like nasi biryani ya. Biryani rice is it?
What's
Bernyanyi,
mean in
bernyanyi.
English?
Ya benar, nasi biryani.
Biryani.
I know. Okay, that's interesting.
What-
We're learning together.
What's mean biryani?
Biryani is
Singing.
like oh. Okay.
Singing, Mr.
Maksudnya artinya apa?
bernyanyi ya?
Bernyanyi.
Oh, bernyanyi is singing, sing. Is it all clear, everyone? All good?
Again, please.
Okay. Bernyanyi, singing.
Bernyanyi. Bernyanyi.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So the ber one is it all clear? All good?
Bernyanyi. Bernyanyi. Is it correct?
Yes, bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi.
Yes. Good job, everyone. Now, so we've learned about the vocabulary, the kosakata. Now we are trying to, insert that vocabulary into the sentence. So like this. Oh, wait, we'll play a game first there to review, to refresh. Now, let's say, let's start with the third picture first. What's the
Okay.
hobby?
Okay.
The third
Number
one.
one. Number one.
Sepak bola.
Bermain.
Sepak bola.
Bermain sepak bola.
Oh, yes, good job, good job. So, bermain sepak bola. Let's see.
Bola.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all similar in Indonesia. We're very flexible.
Okay.
Now,
Number
the
two.
number two. What is it?
Bernyanyi gitar.
Yaranin. Okay.
Bermain.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Bermain gitar.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. We're all learning. Bermain gitar. All right. And then, the third one.
Number three.
Mm-hmm.
Bermain melukis.
Okay, that's almost correct. So we're just going to use the melukis one. Yeah, but that's correct. That's correct.
Looks without
Oh,
Bermain.
melukis. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Yeah. Now, number four. This one.
Minensang.
Memacing.
Minensang.
Memacing.
Memacing.
Yes.
Memancing.
Bermain.
Yeah, memancing.
Memancing. Benar.
Mancing.
Yeah. So it's memancing. Cing. Can you repeat
Okay.
after me?
Cing.
Mancing.
Yeah. Cing.
Bermain
Memancing.
memancing.
So imagine chapter. Yeah. Imagine chapter. You use the ch in memancing. So memancing.
Memancing.
Yeah, exactly. Now, last but not least,
Bernyanyi.
it
Bernyanyi.
starts with ber.
Bermin. Yanin.
Bernya.
Bernyanyi.
Good job, guys.
Bernyanyi.
Good job.
Bernyanyi.
Yeah.
Bernyanyi.
Biryani.
Bernyanyi. Bernyanyi.
Okay. Exactly. Now, let's say after this, let's go to the next slide. Oops, the spoiler now. I've told you about the sentence pattern. So, apa hobimu? Apa hobimu? Repeat
Apa
after.
hobimu?
Apa
Apa hobimu?
What's your
Hobi saya main bola.
Exactly. That is the second pattern, right? So you can say hobi saya for the hobby. Repeat after.
Hobi saya
Hobi
bernyanyi.
saya
hobi saya?
Saya. So it's
Yeah,
saya.
internet
It's
is a
hobby. So for
problem.
example, hobi saya bermain basket. Is it better, guys, now?
Yes. Hobi saya
Okay. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. Hobi saya. And then the name of all clear, guys? Until here?
bermain sepak bola. Hobi saya bermain sepak bola.
Yes, that's correct. That's how you say about your hobby, how you tell your hobby in sentence. Yes.
Saya suka.
Okay. Now that is, oh my God.
Saya suka berenang. Saya suka berenang.
Yes.
Yes. So actually, there are two ways to say about your hobby. The first one is hobi saya, just like the that you already talked, hobi saya, and then you can mention your hobby. For example, hobi saya bermain basket. Just like that. Is that clear for hobi saya?
In basket.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very clear.
Okay. The next one, or the second one is you can say saya suka, means I like, and you can mention your hobby. For example,
Saya suka.
yes, saya
Saya
suka. That's correct. Can you repeat after me?
Saya suka.
Saya suka. That's correct. Saya suka.
Yeah.
For example, saya suka membaca, means I like reading.
Saya suka membaca.
Membaca.
saya suka membaca.
Baca.
Yes. Maybe for
Baca.
maybe for Mr. Nasser, you like to traveling. You can say saya suka traveling. Or for Mr. Anas, you
Yes.
like to read. So saya suka membaca. And for Miss
Saya
Grace,
suka membaca.
yes, for Miss Grace, maybe saya suka menari. Is that correct? Menari. And then what? Yes. What about Mr. Abdul? What is your hobby?
Think, Mr.
Yes, okay. Is that clear?
Yola
Clear.
doing business.
Uh, who likes to doing business?
Yes, that's his hobby.
Okay, so that is for the grammar, yeah. First thing first, you can ask someone. If you want to know their hobby, you can just ask them by saying apa hobimu atau apa hobi
Apa
Anda.
hobimu? Apa hobimu?
Yes, apa hobimu means what is your hobby? It's like,
Apa hobimu?
yes.
Up.
And then yes, apa hobimu? It is the question sentence, the questioning sentence. And then you can answer the question by saying hobi saya or saya suka.
Saya suka or hobi saya.
Hobi.
Yes. So the question sentence is apa hobimu? And you can answer it with hobi saya, and then you can mention your hobby, or saya suka, and then you can mention your hobby. Like that. Okay, is that clear?
Clear.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
hobi
clear.
saya.
Yeah, so far so good?
Saya traveling.
Yes, hobi saya traveling. For example, yes. Just like that. Okay. Is that clear?
Hobi saya. You can say hobi saya
Yes, hobi
Menonton
saya.
film horror.
Yes.
Menonton film horror.
Oh, yes. Hobi saya menonton film horor, for example, like that. Okay, is that clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Any questions?
Thank you.
Okay, we can going to next slide maybe ya, Mas Zaya.
Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello?
Your voice a little bit choppy, Mas Zaya, but okay, maybe you
Mimasak.
can.
Is it better now?
Yes, Mas Zaya, we can hear you.
Okay. Again, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, everyone. Okay. It's just a little review as we've done before. I just want you to, pick the number. Okay?
Okay.
All
Number
clear?
one. Can I start? Can I start?
Okay, Mr. Nasser.
Okay. Sure.
Membaca.
What is
Number
number
one.
one?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Membaca. Thank you. And then number two. Who wants to answer? Everyone can answer, okay? You can answer it together too.
Number four.
Look at the picture, the second picture.
Second picture, yeah. Second picture, memasak.
Oh, okay. You want to answer number four? It's okay.
Minum.
Oh, the sixth one. Yeah. Yes, memasak. Exactly. The sixth picture, number six, is memasak.
Mamasak. Number
Mhm.
6 is Mamasak.
Okay. That's correct. How about number three? Number three.
Number 3,
Menyanyi.
Minan.
Mindangan
Minansang.
Musik.
Minansang.
Okay. So I'm so sorry, guys. I think this a little bit of typo. It should
Minari,
be
yeah.
bernyanyi ya. Number three is bernyanyi.
Minari.
The microphone, yeah, they're singing. Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi. Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi.
Yes, it's bernyanyi. And then how about number four?
And number 4,
Minansang.
Memang.
Minansang.
Yes,
basket.
Memancing.
Basket.
memancing. Yeah,
Memancing.
memancing. Yeah,
Memancing
memancing.
number 4.
Yes, exactly. Memancing. And number five.
Mermin
Fine.
basket.
Yeah,
Bermain
bermain basket.
basket number 5.
Yes, that's
Bermain
right.
basket.
Exactly. And number six is memasak, right? We guys have
Mamasak
answered
number 6.
before.
Memasak.
Memasak. Okay. From this practice,
Memasak.
any questions or all clear?
Or clear.
Clear. All right. Just for information, guys, menyanyi should be bernyanyi. Ya. There's a typo here in the last option. Okay. Now, of course, to strengthen our understanding, we move to another practice. Okay. Wait a minute, yeah. Let's share the screen. Is it visible?
No.
Oh, wait. Okay, I think it's loading right now.
The problem from my side or yours?
Oh, it's my side. I think the internet is acting up here. Yeah, is it visible now?
We
Yes.
be hopping.
Yeah, exactly. let's begin. Okay. What is the hobby?
Okay. At the picture, what's
Who still remember the answer?
Malukis.
K
Yes.
min
Yes. Melukis. Okay. Oh, that's
Malukis, yes,
yes,
Malukis.
melukis. Okay. So everyone answered melukis. Let's see.
Malukis.
Oh, that's correct. Next question. How about this?
How
Bath.
membaca.
Membaca. Exactly. Membaca. Mhm.
Okay.
Membaca. Let's see. Good job. And then
Bermain
bermain basket.
oh, guys, you guys are so smart. Okay.
Bermain
Bermain
basket.
Now. Exactly. How about this one?
Memancing.
Fishing.
Memancing.
Cheng.
Yeah.
Memancing.
Memancing. Memancing.
Memancing. Memancing.
Yes. So imagine chapter. Use the ch in the ching. Memancing.
Chin.
Memancing.
Yes. Yes.
Ten. Or not chin.
Oh, is it changing around now? Is it still visible?
Memasak.
Yes.
Okay.
Memasak.
Memasak. Okay, memasak. Boop. Good job. Next. Nah,
Do
the
you
sentence.
Apa nama? Apa hobimu? Apa hobimu?
Yes,
Apa
apa
hobimu?
hobimu? Let's see.
Hobi saya.
Hobi
Nama
saya.
Yes, hobi saya.
saya.
Wah, good job, good job. Three
Okay.
left. I like reading.
Siasa suka.
So
Saya
what's
Suka
the
membaca.
Okay.
Saya suka membaca.
Saya
Saya
sudah
suka
membaca.
saya suka membaca.
Membaca.
Next. Okay, what is it?
Saya suka
Saya suka
bermain.
bernyanyi.
Yes.
Bermain.
Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi, yes. Saya suka bernyanyi.
Exactly. Last but not least, how do you answer?
hobi saya memasak.
Hobi saya memasak. Hobi saya memasak.
Hobi saya memasak.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, game complete. Wow, good job everyone. Kerja
Thank you.
bagus. Yes.
Thank you.
So in Indonesia, good job is kerja bagus. Kerja
Thank you.
bagus.
Kerja bagus.
Let me type it here, just in case. Okay, now let's continue the presentation again. Please wait a minute. Oh. Okay. Now,
Okay, so this is actually the last practice for today's lesson. Okay, so what you have to do in this practice is that you have to write. Okay, you have to write some things you can see on the screen. Okay, have you ever using Padlet? Are you guys familiar with Padlet platform?
Tidak.
No?
No.
No. Okay, so actually we are going to use a Padlet now. Okay, you can see on the screen. There is a QR code, right? QR code. You can scan it. Okay, you can scan the code, the QR code. Can you scan the code? Is there any difficulty in scanning the QR code? Or you can click the link in the chat.
Barcode is okay, barcode?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you already scanned the code, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Wait a minute. Okay.
Again, please, barcode.
Barcode. You can just actually click the link on the chat.
Okay. In the chat.
Yeah, in the chat, you can click the link.
Okay.
Okay. And after you click the link, or you scan the barcode, it will be like this. Okay. Padlet. Can you see my screen? Padlet like this. Okay. Actually on the screen, Padlet, and you can click the plus button, pause button, like on the screen. And what you have to do is you mention your name, your age, where you are from, and also your hobby. Okay, I will write it. Your name, your age, and then where you are from, and finally your hobby.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can write it on the Padlet and you can post it. The examples are there. You can see 2 examples in here from Jaya and from Jaskai. You can mention your name and then your age and then where you are from and your hobby. You can post it on the Padlet. Okay, you can write it.
Post.
Yes, post it on
Click
this.
on the post.
Yes, click on the post and then you can type your name, your age,
Okay.
and then where you are from, and finally your hobby. Is there any difficulties in writing on Padlet? You can after you type. Yes.
All of them together or just one by one?
Pull all of them together.
Okay.
Or actually, if you have difficulties with Padlet, you can just type it in the Zoom. If you have any difficulties in Padlet, you can just type it on Zoom. Okay, you have to type your name and then your age, where you are from, and your hobbies. Just like the example on the screen, okay? Is there any difficulties, guys? Okay, maybe I will give you some times to write. Okay.
Sembilan is 9. Sembilan.
Yes. 9 is 9.
Empat sembilan. 49.
Yes. 49. Okay, you can type it on the Zoom chat or on the Padlet if you want to. I will also type it on Padlet, maybe.
Follow double L.
Okay, Grace is already type it on the chat. Okay, we will wait for other to finish their writing.
how do I wait reading?
I'm so sorry, what was your question?
How do I wait reading? Okay.
I'm so sorry, how do you?
Is it reading?
Reading? Membaca?
What? In the chat, please. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I will wait for everyone to finish their writing. Yeah, you can post it on Padlet or just like Grace type it on the chat. Okay, maybe until 8:20. Is that enough? 8:20? Okay. Mr. Nasser is already right on the chat box. We will wait for Mr. Anas and Mr. Abdul, okay?
1 minute, please. I'm finished.
Okay. That's all right. I will wait until you finish.
Salam.
Kenal.
Salam. Salam.
Yes.
Okay.
K-E.
Keen. Okay.
K-E.
Kina. Okay. Yeah or not?
Yes. N-A-L. Kenal.
I finished
Okay.
number 1. Then I have
Okay.
to finish
Thank you.
2 and 3. Yes, K and Kaka. Should I answer about them? I answered about Jaya.
Oh, this is just example.
Okay. So am I okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
You're okay now. We will still wait for Mr. Anas and also Mr. Abdul.
Okay, I'm finished.
Oh, you're finished. Okay. Ready to write it on the chat box or on the Padlet? Oh, you write it on Padlet.
Hobi saya. I forget A after saya. Hobi saya bermain sepak bola.
Okay. So there are some of you who write it on Padlet.
I forget the letter A after saya, at the end of saya. The last letter.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Spelling mistake.
That's okay. Maybe I will write. I will distribute. Wait a minute. I will write Mr. Nasser's writing into Padlet. Yeah. Post. Okay, so some of you already write on Padlet, yeah? That's great. Okay, Mr. Abdul, is there any difficulties in writing your Okay, Mr. Abdul, is there any difficulties? Okay, we will wait, yeah.
Hello.
For Yes?
I'm sorry, but problem in the internet.
Is there any problem with the internet?
No.
Okay. Wait a minute, yeah, guys. Oh, okay. We will continue, just continue, yeah. Okay, so there are writings from you guys, okay, from Mr. Anas, from Miss Grace, and also from Mr. Nasser. And what we will do with this writing is that I will ask you, okay, I will ask you, for example, what is Mr. Nasser a hobby? And you can answer it. I will choose maybe Mr. Anas, what is Mr. Nasser hobby? Like that, okay? And you can answer it. Is that clear? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. First question. I
Okay.
will ask you to Miss Grace maybe. Okay, Miss Grace?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What is Mr. Nasser hobby?
Mr. Nasser, let me see. His hobby is playing football.
Yes. What is it in Indonesia?
Sepak bola.
Yes, bermain.
Bermain sepak bola.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, there is a correction ya. For Mr. Nasser, it's not bermain sepak bola, but bermain sepak bola. Okay, like this.
Sepak bola.
Bola,
Without
not pola, but
without
bola.
bermain.
Yes, bermain is correct. And then not pola, but bola. Bermain sepak bola. Like what I write on the chat box, you can see it. Okay, that's for Miss Grace. And now I will ask Mr. Nasser.
Yes.
Mr. Nasser, what is Mr. Anas' hobby?
Anas' hobby is biryani.
Hmm? Mr.
Biryani.
Anas?
Biryani. Sorry, Anas. Anas. Membaca.
Yes,
Yeah,
membaca.
that's correct.
Membaca.
Membaca.
Reading.
Membaca and
Reading. Membaca.
playing and
Yes. His hobby
correct.
is membaca. Okay, that's correct.
Membaca, yes. Membaca.
Okay. Now for Mr. Anas, what is
Okay,
Miss Grace's hobby?
Missy Grace.
Yeah,
Missy Grace hobby manari.
menari. And in the writing, what did she write?
Menani.
Dance.
Biryani.
Manari.
Bernyanyi, yes. Miss
Minyan.
Grace, yeah, Miss Grace,
Minyari.
yes, Miss
Yes or
Grace
not?
write that she likes to singing. She likes to sing, so it's bernyanyi. Okay, so actually, if someone asks what is for example, what is Miss Grace hobby? You can say hobi Miss Grace adalah bernyanyi, just like that. Or hobi, for example, Anas adalah membaca, like that.
Adalah membaca.
Yes. Or hobi Anas membaca. Just like you say hobi saya, for example, hobi saya membaca. But it is Anas' hobby, so you can say it just like hobi Anas membaca. You can change saya to Anas, like that.
Anas membaca.
Yes. For example, or hobi.
But it is not my old hobby.
What is your like ultimate hobby? Like you really like to do it a lot.
Again, please.
Like what is your what is it?
Meeting people. What does
Meeting
that
people.
mean?
You like meeting people?
New people, yeah.
That's like
Meeting new
meeting people.
people.
I like. Okay. Okay, so that's how you say your hobby and someone's hobby, okay? You can just change hobi saya into hobi and then you can mention the person names. For example, hobi Mazaya bermain game, just like that. Okay? Is that clear?
Hobi.
Hobi Mazaya.
Yes. You can
Hobi
write.
Mazaya
You can
and your name, so?
Caca.
Yeah?
Hobi Mazaya dan Caca.
Hobi
Hobi Mazaya.
Mazaya. Live in
Iyo.
the chat.
Hobi
guys.
Mazaya, hobi
Hobi
Caca.
Minari. Hobi
Yes,
Kaka Minari.
yes,
Ah,
hobi
okay.
Caca. Not Kaka, but Caca.
Caca. Oh,
Caca.
Caca.
Just like
Okay, I'm sorry.
in membaca, Caca.
Hobi Kaka Minari.
Yes, like that. You can,
Minari.
yes, menari, dancing.
Minari.
Mm-hmm.
The example, hobby, Mr. Nasser, the Mulu case.
Yes, that's
Sepak bola.
Yeah,
yes, that's
the
correct.
bola.
That is one of the example. Okay, that's understandable, right? Okay. Is that clear? And until now?
And I can say, hobi Kaka. For me, yeah. Hobi Kaka. Sepak bola.
Sepak bola. Bermain sepak bola.
Correct. Hobi Kaka sepak bola.
Bermain, not sepak bola, bermain.
Bermain.
Bermain sepak bola.
Bermain sepak bola.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Clear? All clear?
Yeah,
Yes, clear.
Yes,
very
okay.
clear.
Any questions?
No.
Clear.
No? Okay, so maybe we can see the slide again.
Okay, now, is my voice clear enough?
Clear.
Okay, now, just for reflection, let's fill the blanks. Remember
Okay.
what we've learned today about
Yes.
ho
Okay,
Apa
yeah.
hobi?
hobby.
Apa hobimu?
Ya, apa
Apa
hobimu?
hobimu?
Okay,
Apa hobimu?
okay, exactly. And then let's before we end, I want all of you to state like what is your hobby? So hobi saya adalah
Hobi
and
saya adalah
Adalah
Hobi saya adalah bermain sepak bola.
yes. And then
Yes.
hobi saya adalah membaca
Berma-
or Mhm.
hobi saya bernyanyi.
Manteng.
Hobi saya bernama.
Manteng.
Yes. Exactly. Wow, good job everyone. Kerja bagus semuanya. Kerja bagus. Tepuk tangan. Selamat sudah menyelesaikan tentang thank you. So, who remember what is thank you?
Thank you. Permisi.
Terima kasih.
Terima
Terima
kasih.
kasih.
Yes, thank you is
Terima
terima
kasih.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Okay. Is there any question before we end this session?
No.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Terima kasih.
Good job. Okay,
Terima kasih.
before we end, let's start our documentation, everyone. Okay, prepare your best pose. You can do
Okay.
this or this or
Yeah.
this, whatever you want.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I will take the picture, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Mazaya. Mrs. Mazaya.
Yeah.
Okay. I will take the picture, yeah. You can pose. You can give your best pose. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay. Again, one more time. 1.
Again?
Okay.
Again, please.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih semua.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima
And
kasih.
if you guys
Terima
have any
kasih,
questions,
Anas
yeah.
Grace. Terima kasih. Terima
Yes, if
kasih.
you guys have any questions
Thank you.
about today's
Can-
topic, you can just
Can I bertum Danva kamu?
Yes. Good job.
Everyone.
Wow, that's great.
Bye.
Okay,
Thank
guys,
you,
if
everyone.
you have any questions on this topic, you can just maybe chat me or Mazaya, okay? Okay, guys, thank you for attending today's
Thank you.
lesson. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Mazaya.
Yes,
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you
will
very
share
much.
the material, okay? I will share today's
Inshallah.
materials and
Okay.
yes, okay. Thank you very much.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai
Thank you.
jumpa.
Terima kasih. Sima.
Terima
Goodbye.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.